Sanibonani bangane makhaya I'm back with another video. I'm Tlefiso Khanozang. As you all know, if you're new here, you know what to do. Subscribe Anwanaka because you know what. And welcome baby, because I bring the best of the best. And today we are cooking. Before we start cooking, let's clean the mess in this room. Let me just show you the glimpse of what's happening. Yo guys, I know I'm very crusty, but can we move? Ke startile ka go busetsa dilo where they should be, and then gore ke phute pila, because if I do not do that, go ka se bonts. And then I found my two IDs. Ziyakhala makuculweni manje. So I'm making creamy spinach with rice and a quarter leg. Yo, kusoba mnandi yezweni, and those are my ingredients. Khotloba lovely mao. Cause I kena chopping board, ke berekisa plate e ke tlo go jela mo go yona. Le ska njaja. So that's me chopping the spinach more. Ke slatswitse le ska re he nna eng. Ke slatswitse ga 3, ke slatswitse ka se rinza ka ba ka se rinza ka stay soft. So se shona khona. I added my butter to the pot. That's my bonzies, by the way. So I added garlic. And my housemate was also cooking, so I shot her bonzies as well. So I added garlic to my butter. When my butter was fully dissolved, ke edile spinach saka di piece by piece. Yo, ke feel like a professional chef ehle. E apayang ka foroko ya go ja. So I added my spinach and I covered with the lid. Yo, ke bontshetsa di pizza tsa batho guys, sorry. So yeah, unapia makwiknya and all that. That's my rice in a little close to being done. White and and then I mixed cream of mushroom soup, full cream milk for my creamy spinach. And aromat for taste. And then I added this mixture, cream of mushroom soup, milk, after 3 to 5 minutes to be precise. And after that, Mwanaka, you just fudua. You do what? Fudua mushimanyana usijeli matlakaleng washa. And after that, I left it for some few minutes nyana for it to thicken and do the things. Chicken outlook, that's me mo ke tlhatswa chicken ya ka labui 3. One thing about me, ke rata go tlhatswa dilo until I'm satisfied with them. Even my friends can attest to that. That's my chicken. Ke fetsa go e phatsa for gore di spice tse ke di tshelang di tsenelele mo nameng and for gore ga ke e apege ka pela ka mogare. Yes. And one thing about me, I'll play with my meat. Here I massage. Can't you know? Kichishirisa on the plate. And I continued by adding butter to my pan, aiming ili non-stick. I said ili non-stick because skir poto se fitile ngwanak. In your whatever you does, leave a skir pot behind. Botoro yaka inili fully dissolved more, and then I decided to add my chicken for it to do the things like ching. I was buttering my chicken. No frying mechanism here. Yes. And for your chicken to cook on both sides, otle we chika wan tlhaloganya gore the buttering method e bereke ka mo le ka mo. Chicken yaka e ne e tla e ba e ka reng ka ire Monake, I was finally done. This is my dish. I know it looks dry, but it was juicy. It was very demure. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you on the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.